Back speaking with Mike Spreadborough this morning from Novo Resources. Mike, good to see you.
Good to see you again, Andrew.
Look, Mike, just for the purposes of potential new investors, just give us a quick refresh here on Novo's assets in Western Australia and Victoria.
Yeah, so Andrew, we are a greenfields explorer, and I've got to really say, greenfields. That means we are high speculative, but we're out there looking for the next big thing. Clearly got a vision on 1 million ounce type gold projects. Although, gee, if we stumbled on copper in the current environment, we wouldn't be that upset. So we've got projects across the Pilbara that we have just finished drilling, and we'll start again drilling later in the year. And we've also got projects in Victoria. So people would hear about Belltopper in Victoria, and in the Pilbara, we're at Balla Balla, Nunyerry, and out at East Pilbara. So we've got a pretty big, wide portfolio of greenfields targets.
So a wide portfolio. Mike, what are the key exploration activities you've got planned between now and the end of the year?
So let's go to Victoria first. So Belltopper, we finished drilling quite recently. So people will have already seen a couple news releases, but we will actually put out another release coming forwards about how it all comes together. We really like that project. It's just north of Melbourne, importantly south of Fosterville. So very nice project. And then in the Pilbara, as I said, we just finished drilling in one of the projects, Nunyerry. You'll see results flow through in the next couple of weeks. And you've probably seen some announcements and some new announcements about clearing some hurdles for heritage that allow us going drilling in both the east and western Pilbara later this year. But don't forget, behind all of that, we've got this wonderful joint venture with De Grey. They have got 2 drill rigs drilling flat out. They've done 30,000 metres of air core and RC drilling this year already. So that's a great joint venture for us, a great upside for our shareholders. So we mustn't always forget that they are burning a lot of money on those projects that our shareholders will get the benefit from.
And I know from previous discussions, Mike, you and I have had, you're keen to expand the portfolio.
Yeah, it's good point. Now, we're out there looking for gold and copper projects, mainly across Australia, kind of late stage exploration all the way up to maybe scoping studies. So we've been busy looking for high quality projects. We think we've got the team that can exploit those projects and grow them. So we're out there looking for those projects. Like all good explorers, you're always rotating your portfolio, and it's now time for us to move our portfolio and look for other opportunities.
Hard to believe, but coming up, Mike, to your first anniversary on the ASX. It's been a tough year for the markets, but what would you say are some of the key highlights?
So yes, 12 months since we dual listed on the ASX, so we've still got the TSX platform, and that's been going really well. So we've been really excited with the support we've got on the ASX, but it is tough as an explorer at the moment. But in a general sense, we're pretty good. We've got a balance sheet of around $10 million. We've still got some good projects that we'll exploit over the time, and we've got some opportunities going into 2024 with our balance sheet. So I think we're in a good position going forwards compared to a lot of other explorers.
And you do have a number of listed investments also, Mike.
Yeah, that's right. So we've got a portfolio of about $50 million made up of ASX listed stocks. And there's about probably $2 million tied up in that. But the big ones is we've got 2 unlisted investments. One is the San Cristobal mine in Bolivia, which went private. We provided some seed capital. That's probably got an investment around about $20 million US available to us. We hope to unwind that early next year as the markets improve. And we also have a very eclectic historical investment in a 3D printing company in America that's probably got a valuation, north of 15 million US. So whilst those funds aren't available to us now, we know the valuations are very solid, and people should expect us to unwind those in 2025.
Great to catch up, Mike. Thanks for your time.
Always good. Thanks, Andrew.